Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. I'm sure many of us have experienced losing fish on artificial lures like a jerkbait. I want to share a tip that I learned a few years ago. It's something that many anglers use for different applications, and I believe it has a lot of potential in various fishing scenarios. I received a lot of comments suggesting that I should use soft split rings. Some viewers also asked what a soft split ring is, so I thought I'd do a quick video explaining it. Did you know that if you have a metal split ring on your bait, the hook can only twist about a third to a half turn before it hits the eye of the bait? This creates leverage that the fish can use to shake the hook loose. With a soft split ring, which is made out of braided line, the hook can twist a full 360 degrees, taking away that leverage. To address this, we're going to remove the metal split rings from the bait and replace them with braided line split rings. To get started, let's remove this metal split ring. Here's how you do it. First, remove the split rings and treble hooks from the bait. This can be done easily with pliers. Start with a piece of braided line, roughly 2 feet long. Fold it over on itself so you have a loop on one side and 2 tag ends of similar length. Take the looped end of your braided line and slide it through the eye of the treble hook you want to attach. Then slide the bait you want to attach through the same loop. To keep everything in place, wrap the line around your finger to prevent the bait from sliding off. Now, grab the looped end of the braid and fold it over on itself, creating a new loop. Take both tag ends and pass them through this new loop, then pull it tight. Depending on how big you want your split ring, insert an object, like an Allen key, in this case, through the loop to determine the diameter. Pull the tag ends tight around the object to secure the loop. Finally, tie a square knot with the tag ends to lock everything in place. Trim the excess braid. And you've got your soft split ring. Now, with your soft split ring, the hook can spin 360 degrees, significantly reducing the leverage a fish can use to escape. This can be especially important when using treble-hooked baits that fish often slap at. Remember, since soft split rings are made from braided line, they can wear out over time, especially if you're fishing around rocks or catching a lot of fish. You may need to replace them periodically. However, some of mine have lasted over a year on baits that I don't use often. That's how you tie a soft split ring, and it's made a noticeable difference in my catch rate with hard baits. Give it a shot and let me know in the comments if you use soft split rings, what you think of them, or if you have any other tips for landing more fish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for a new video coming out tomorrow.